Welcome to the Lend-Lease Project Information Management System Staff Tutorial Series. Video 2, Editing or Deleting Progress Entries. In this tutorial video, we'll cover making corrections to and removing existing progress entries. We'll work from a standard laptop computer that is already logged into PIMS with a SAM selected and layers loaded. For this tutorial, we will return to the multi-dwelling unit we worked with in the progress entry video. In order to edit existing entries, we need to return to the progress page. Click or tap the Asset menu and select Progress. Here we can see a list of progress entries filed against our asset. Let's take a closer look at that second progress entry. At the top of this expanded entry, we can see who it was created by and who last updated it. We can also see what work was recorded and the quantity reported in this entry. Small changes like additional resources, notes, or images can be added quickly from this screen by entering them and clicking or tapping the Update Asset button to save the additions to the entry. For now, let's take a look at the Edit button immediately beneath Add Image. PIMS will ask us if we are certain we would like to edit this entry and warn that any variations created using Work Status options will not be changed by simply editing the quantities. As this second entry did not contain any variations, we can click OK to proceed. This will unlock the Today's Quantity fields, allowing us to make changes. Beneath each schedule of rates, a blue Delete button will appear. When selected, this button will completely remove the schedule from the progress entry. A pop-up will ask you to confirm you would like to go through with the deletion. Click or tap OK to proceed. Under the installation of Hardline Schedule, let's change that 19 reported meters to 10. And scroll down to the bottom of the page. Remember that we need to click or tap the Update Asset button to save our work and update the database entry for this asset. The overview page has now changed to reflect the edits we've made to this progress entry. The installation of Hardline Schedule now shows that 9 meters remain to complete this work, and that all 11 service drops remain to be done. Let's return to the progress page to take a look at deleting entries. Expand the second entry again, and scroll back down to the Edit and Delete buttons. To remove a progress entry completely, click or tap the Progress Entry Delete button, and click OK to confirm. Before we save the deletion using the Update Asset button, let's take a look at that first entry again. Here we can see the quantities we reported, but not the notes of the variations made using Work Status options. The Delete button warns us that removing this entry will remove quantities, but not those variations. Let's take a look at how this affects the overview page and how to remove those variations now. Select OK to confirm the deletion. And click or tap Update Asset to save the changes we've made. On the overview page, we can see that no work is reported complete, but the changes we made in the Progress Entries video remain. Installation of TAP still shows a quantity of 2 required, and our ducting SOR still reports nothing to do here. To remove variations made through the Progress Entry page, go to the Asset menu and select Variations. This page will be covered in more depth in the Variations video in this series. For now, we can see our variation with the same effective date as the progress entry that generated it. We can also see who last created it and who last updated it. The Notes field tells us that this variation was generated from our progress entry. To remove these changes, click or tap the Delete button. Confirm that you wish to delete these variations, and select Update Asset to save your changes to this asset's database entry. We can now see that all changes we made with our progress entries have been removed, and all work against this asset remains outstanding.